Hey guys, for today's video, this might be a double upload day because I'm super excited about this and I have to upload it right away. This is the Beautylish Lucky Bag, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics edition. I'm so excited to see what's inside. These only come up once a year as opposed to his regular mystery boxes. They go on sale like at the beginning of January. That's when I got this box, and then it was supposed to be like a pre-order for right around this time of year, so it got here really fast. It took like 3 or 4 days or something to get to me internationally, so that's nice. So yeah, let's cut into this. I'm really excited. I have yet to see what's inside, so you guys are gonna see this before I do. I have yet to pick in this. Oh, it's so pretty. When you open it up, there's this really beautiful paper and then another like softer paper inside. Oh my god, I'm already seeing something I'm really excited about. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So there's a little sign for like the Lucky Bag 2020, so that's really cute. The whole thing is themed around this design, which is supposed to be like a Japanese tradition of like lucky bags. Okay, so let's begin. The first item I see here is this liquid frost from Jeffree Star, obviously, like everything else in this bag. And this is in Goddess. I'm pretty sure I own this, honestly. Let me just double check. So yes, I do actually already own this one. So that's just gonna have to be a present for my sister. So she got to be the lucky one this time. Here. Yay, yay! So this is what the liquid frost looks like. I put a ton on, but like if you blend it out, it might work for my skin. It's not something that I reach for a ton. Like I said, I do own this already. But for someone with a darker skin tone like my sister, I think this will look really beautiful. Because like you can see, her skin tone is already kind of bronzy, olivey. So something like this is just stunning on. Next up, we have this really pretty set with Beautylish of, that's so beautiful. There are 3 liquid lipsticks in here. They're all with these like red packaging, which I've never had before. First one that catches my eye is this one. It is called Chrysanthemum, I think. I don't know how you spell that, but let me just swatch that. Oh, it's a really beautiful nudie color. This would look beautiful on the lips. I'm really excited about this one. Next, there is this sort of like an orangey brown color, and it is called Pumpkin Pie. That's actually quite matching. Oh, it's also really beautiful. I don't know if I can rock this color, but we will try and see. And then the third one is Sagittarius, and it is sort of like a mauvey purple color. Yeah, it's definitely really beautiful, but again, I don't know if I can rock this. I can definitely try. Sort of matches my hair, so maybe it will look kind of cool. I don't know. Let's do some lip swatches, shall we? This is Pumpkin Pie. Next, we have Sagittarius, which is actually not as opaque as I expected it to be. We can actually see a little bit of the leftover from the previous one underneath. And then this is Chrysanthemum, which is a beautiful nudie color, and it actually has some reflect in it. Really pretty. Next in the box, we have a lip gloss, the gloss. This one is in, Midnight Lick. Looks like a black, okay. Okay, so it is definitely a black. I don't know if I can wear this, if I'm honest, but let's try. This is what it looks like swatched right here. It's very pretty and shiny, but again, I don't know if I can wear something like this. Black's not really my color, but we're gonna try some lip swatches for this as well. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Again, it is called Midnight Lick. It is quite sheer actually. I think this might look good on top of the black liquid lipstick that we got in the mystery from like Halloween. So it might go well together and create like a nice black glossy lip. It's definitely not for every day, but not bad actually. Okay, next product, which is one before last, is, that is beautiful packaging. This is one of the Skin Frost, and this one is in the color Summer Snow Cone. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, Oh, I love the packaging. It's like, it's quite reflective, so I don't think you can pick it up on camera, but it's actually like a light pink color. It's very beautiful. It's broken. It's so sad. It's actually really beautiful. I hope I can contact them and like ask for a replacement because this is really, really sad. But this is what the color looks like. Let me try to swatch it. So this is it right here. It's like an iridescent gold color. It's actually beautiful, and I really hope they can replace it because I'm really sad right now. And the last product, which has been looking at me since I opened this box. I'm so excited! Oh my god, this is the Blue Blood eyeshadow palette, and I've been wanting this for so long. This was actually, I'm pretty sure, in like the bigger boxes from the last mystery boxes from like the actual Jeffree Star website, but I wasn't able to get them on time, and I only got the mini one. And oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm sure you all know what this actually looks like, but I'm so happy to see this like in person, and it's mine. Oh my god. So this is the Blue Blood palette. It is quite famous, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. And it's not broken. I'm so happy. So shape-wise and size, it's quite similar to his other like big palettes, like the Shane Dawson collab, or what's the other one called? Like Blood Sugar. Yeah, the red one, which honestly I kind of want also. But this is really, really exciting. I've been like having my eye on this for a while, but it was really hard for me to commit to something that's like this monotone. But I'm really happy to have this now. I do want to like play around with it a bit and see what kind of looks I can create with this. So let me just swatch a few of these colors. I'm definitely drawn by Ocean Ice. Oh wow, that feels a lot grittier than I expected, but it's actually so beautiful. And then let's go with Crystal Flesh, and then a few of the mattes like Blue Blood, and then Celebrity Skin. Oh, these are so beautiful. Whoa, Blue Blood is so pigmented. And even Celebrity Skin, which you would think wouldn't show up as much, is looking beautiful and so smooth. I am so excited for this. So this is definitely like the big jackpot item in this. So is this worth it? Let's calculate. So we'll begin with the lip set. So that is $54. Seems kind of pricey to me, but that's what it is on Beautylish, so we'll put that down for $54. Okay, the Blue Blood palette, like the rest of his palettes that are this size, is $52. The Skin Frost retails for $29. The gloss is $18. And then the last product is the Liquid Frost, which is $25. So all of those calculations come up to a value of $178. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, this goes for $75, and then I paid for duties and taxes another $21.75. And then for shipping, I paid another $20. So that came out to $116.75 when the value is $178. Is it worth it? I think because the big item is something that I don't already own, and it's something that I really wanted, and the rest of it is really nice. I'm really feeling these colors for like liquid lipsticks. So I think yes, it is worth it to me, and it was worth it especially because I was able to get it pretty fast. So I think it is worth it. Value-wise, if you're in the States and you only pay the $75, I'm not sure if they charge for shipping in the States, then it's definitely worth it. You get almost $100 worth of extra value. For me, because the value was a little less, then it's more debatable, and I think it depends on your own taste. Not everybody's gonna like this kind of palette, but I am really feeling it, and I love Jeffree Star. I mean, this is the reason I got one of these boxes, and yeah, I think it's worth it, honestly. Okay, so that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more videos like this, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. and I will see you all in the next one. Bye! These little babies already found their way into my Jeffree Star Hall of Fame, basically. I am such a fan. I love them, and they look beautiful on my display.